Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Subaru Legacy key fob. This is an easy process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new battery. Depending on your key fob model, this will likely be a CR1620 or a CR2032 coin battery. Let's get started. First, if your key fob has an emergency key, slide it out by pressing the small silver tab. Next, locate the small indentation or seam on the side of your key fob. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob casing should begin to separate. Work your way around the seam until the casing comes apart. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small, round battery. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver, being careful not to damage the internal components. Pay attention to how the old battery was oriented, as the new one needs to be inserted the same way. Typically, the positive side, which has the text, faces upwards. Press the new battery firmly into place. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear them snap securely into place. If you removed an emergency key, slide it back into its slot. Finally, test your key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. You should see the indicator light flash, confirming your new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.